Hello, welcome back to my channel. And I'm just sharing with you today because I have gone crazy and completely ignorant because I am using coffee grounds as a fertilizer on these apple and lemon seeds. Yes, I'm trying to grow and make these seeds sprout in fertilized water. That's fertilizer made from coffee grounds. So follow me on this journey. I'll be sharing updates on this experiment regularly. Okay, so talk to you later. Garden Fantastics, that's the name I call you guys. Hope you like it. If you don't, it's okay. Remember, this is apple and lemon seeds down in a bowl in a cup of water that is fertilized with coffee grounds. Just want to make that clear. You got any comments? Want to make any suggestions? Got any ideas? Say so in the comments. But this is what I'm doing as an experiment.